Connecting the Clouds, a masterclass in building high-availability VPNs between AWS and GCP. This podcast is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone number is 973-638-2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. Introduction to VPN connectivity and BGP. In the rapidly evolving landscape of cloud computing, businesses often leverage multiple cloud providers to optimize their infrastructure. Establishing a secure and reliable connection between different cloud environments is crucial. Virtual private networks, VPNs, are pivotal in ensuring secure cloud communication. This podcast delves into building high-availability VPNs between AWS and GCP, highlighting the importance of the Border Gateway Protocol, BGP, in routing and network communication. Understanding VPNs and their role in secure communication. A VPN extends a private network across a public network, allowing users to send and receive data as if their devices were directly connected to the private network. This is essential for secure data transfer between different cloud environments, ensuring data integrity and confidentiality. The importance of BGP in routing and network communication. BGP is the protocol that enables data routing on the Internet. It helps direct packets of data between autonomous systems, AS, extensive networks, or groups of networks managed by a single organization. BGP ensures efficient routing and prevents loops in the network. Key concepts: ASN and its significance in VPN configurations. An autonomous system number, ASN, is a unique identifier assigned to each AS for use in BGP routing. ASNs are crucial in VPN configurations as they help manage the network paths data packets take across the Internet. Configuring VPN services in GCP. Creating a cloud router, a foundation for connectivity. Navigate to the GCP console, open the GCP console and go to the networking section. To create a cloud router, click Create Router, provide a name, select a network, and assign an ASN. Establishing a VPN connection, ensuring secure data transfer. Create a VPN gateway. In the networking section, select VPN and click Create VPN. Configure tunnels. Set up VPN tunnels, specifying the peer IP address and shared secret. Set up BGP sessions. Configure BGP on the cloud router to establish dynamic routing with the peer network. Setting up VPN services in AWS, implementing customer gateways, establishing dual connections. Create a customer gateway. In the VPC dashboard, select Customer Gateways and provide the relevant details, including the ASN and the public IP address of the GCP VPN gateway. Creating a virtual private gateway, a central access point. Create a virtual private gateway. In the VPC dashboard, select Virtual Private Gateways and create a new gateway. Attach the gateway to a VPC. Attach the created virtual private gateway to your VPC. Establishing VPN connections. Linking AWS and GCP. Create VPN connections. In the VPC dashboard, create VPN connections, specifying the customer and virtual private gateway. Configure tunnels and BGP. Set up the VPN tunnels and configure BGP for dynamic routing. Connecting AWS and GCP via VPN. Creating a peer VPN gateway in GCP, facilitating secure communication. Peer gateway configuration. Set up the peer VPN gateway in GCP, ensuring it is correctly configured to communicate with the AWS VPN gateway. Adding VPN tunnels, ensuring redundancy and high availability. Configure redundant tunnels. Establish multiple VPN tunnels between AWS and GCP to ensure high availability and redundancy. Configuring BGP sessions, optimizing routing and performance. Set up BGP sessions. Configure BGP sessions on AWS and GCP to optimize routing and ensure efficient data transfer. Validation and final steps. Verifying tunnel status in GCP and AWS, ensuring successful connectivity. Check tunnel status. Verify the status of the VPN tunnels in both the AWS and GCP consoles to ensure they are active and functioning correctly. Attaching virtual private gateway to VPC in AWS, completing the connection. Attach the gateway. Ensure the virtual private gateway is attached to the correct VPC in AWS. Configuring route tables in AWS, enabling seamless communication. Update route tables. Configure the route tables in AWS to direct traffic through the VPN tunnels. Best practices for securing your VPN connection. Implementing strong authentication mechanisms, safeguarding access. Use strong authentication. Implement robust authentication mechanisms to ensure only authorized users can access the VPN. Utilizing strong encryption algorithms, protecting data integrity. Encrypt data. Use robust encryption algorithms to protect the data transmitted over the VPN. Employing dedicated VPN gateways, enhancing security and performance. Dedicated gateways. Use dedicated VPN gateways to enhance security and performance. Restricting access, limiting authorized users and systems. Access control. Restrict access to the VPN to only those users and systems that require it. Monitoring regularly, detecting and responding to anomalies. Monitor traffic. Regularly monitor VPN traffic to detect and respond to any anomalies. Conclusion: achieving reliable and secure cross-cloud connectivity. VPNs are integral in establishing secure and reliable connections between different cloud environments. Businesses can ensure seamless data transfer and robust network security by understanding and implementing VPNs with BGP. The importance of VPNs in multi-cloud environments. VPNs facilitate secure communication and data transfer in multi-cloud environments, ensuring business continuity and operational efficiency. Key takeaways and best practices for successful implementation. Understand the role of VPNs and BGP in secure communication. Configure VPN services in both GCP and AWS correctly. Ensure high availability and redundancy by setting up multiple VPN tunnels. Implement strong authentication and encryption mechanisms. Regularly monitor VPN traffic and restrict access to authorized users. Thank you for listening to our podcast. Please share this podcast, visit our website, and follow our social media links.